Hit that bitch one more again. Hold on. YouTube! What's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy Davy back with another fucking banger. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I can't even yap too much in this intro due to the simple fact I'm running late as shit. But in this video, chat, we finna go to this car meet. Hold on. Let's start this bitch off. Flip this backwards. Let's start this joint up. Hey, y'all commented my last vid. Stop doing cold starts with your garage closed. I actually read all my comments. Hold up. Let me get a cold start real quick. Damn. Like, chat. This bitch don't sound the same. Hold up. Hey, and y'all better not be saying shit about all this shit in my garage. Fuck up. But yeah, boy, this bitch do not sound the same at all, boy. We gotta lightweight go get some gas. But yeah, chat, right now I'm about to do a little cut up to this on cue real quick. Go catch up with my boy D-Mark and shit. Let's try to get 50 likes on this video, man. Everybody, like, comment, sub. I'm gonna get it with y'all boys shortly. Now while I'm cutting up, bro, this dirty ass mirror, I don't know why this nigga keep trying to cut up with me, bro. I'm finna have to do his ass grimy, chat. Now I don't know, y'all. Hold up. I don't know if I'm gonna be cutting up with this camera or if I'm gonna still be using my headband with my phone, cause like it's hard to hold this thick ass camera where like my forehead is, bro. So that shit might be kinda popped. Who knows? We gonna see how this shit go, man. Hold up. Make sure the vlog straight. But yeah, let's see. I'm in eco mode, by the way, chat. Not giving two fucks about this nigga. Really trying to catch it to my nigga D-Mark. I ain't gonna lie, he probably been at that store like 20 minutes waiting on me. And is that 12 right there? I don't know if that's, did y'all see that shit, chat? It looked like a fucking cop car, but I don't think it was a cop car, my nigga. And who knows? But yeah, chat, these cut-ups kind of shit with this camera, cause I'm like holding it with one hand and trying to get jiggy with the other. Hold up, actually, let me touch this nigga real quick. What you wanna do, nigga? Nigga don't want it, bro. Alright, chat, we finna get a cut up underway, bro. I ain't gonna lie, chat, I got here about late as shit. You know what I'm saying? Alright, hold on. Let me come to the left so I really get the full look. Yeah, on this bitch. Bitch is lined up, boy. Nah, I can't fake it, chat. Yeah, today we actually finna get wild, boy. Back up. All these niggas back here and shit, bro. Y'all know my nigga D-Mark from the last joint. His shit shoot flames. Jason or Jay? Jay. Alright, that's Jason, bro. I just met these niggas tight shit. That's my nigga Ike and shit. My nigga D-Mark saying they got the same tune, bro. So hopefully both they shits finna be shooting fucking flames and shit. Oh my god. That nigga showed it. We gonna see. Y'all know my shit's not yet to be tuned and shit. We just got the little straight pipe yesterday. Hell yeah. Well, I have my car for like 6 months, bro. I just been bullshitting, bro. I can't even fake it to you, bro.
He just got the Camaro. That Camaro got 5K on it.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that bitch kinda smooth. I'm trying to see how that bitch getting traffic.
Oh yeah.
Just the accent on it.
Now, chat, y'all probably see. Hold on. Y'all probably seeing like higher quality now, bro. The quality probably finna get lower when we get a cut up, cause I'm gonna switch to my phone, like headband cut up shit.
Don't skip these fucking videos.
Man, what? Do not skip the vid. Like this shit to the end, bro. Hopefully niggas sliding this shit, bro. We gonna see how this shit get, man. It's lightweight, cold as hell. I should wear a coat or something. Hell yeah. Pull up in it, bitch. Try to get, hell yeah, some B-roll or something. Man, what? That bitch sound better than this, bro. That bitch used to be quiet as hell on my soul. Yeah, it's loud. I got my window down, but it's still a no strike zone, chat. Y'all know how this shit get. Striker, no striking. Striker, no striking. Who this is? Start your shit up, bro. Hold on. Cut my shit off real quick. My nigga Jason shit?
Yeah.
Alright, Jason shit. Yeah, it's loud. He got the white joints on the side. Them bitches actually raw as hell. Oh God. That Jay shit, yeah, sure. Oh, this Jay. The rim's different. Oh, that's Ike's. Jay got the orange one. Tight shit, tight shit. Yeah, Ike, bro, yeah, start your shit up.
Hey, these just warm starts though, Chad. Warm
Yeah,
starts.
slight little warm starts, bro. Slight little, yeah, you feel me? Get there.
That shit every time.
Tight shit.
Oh yeah. My bad. You said that stocky guitars?
Nah, it got bro, let me read it. It got either Floor Master or
What is this, RT?
yeah, it's Floor Master. Floor Master.
No, I'm saying, is there anything back here?
That's the Floor Master back there.
In the middle?
Yeah.
But nothing right here?
Nothing right there.
So you got a resonator delete with the...
Hey,
Yeah,
chat.
that's Floor Master.
I can't fake to y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. I need like 200 plus likes, bro. I know it's gonna be a crazy ass cut up, bro.
Say now the better guys.
Hold up, then they got a Challenger over there too, buddy. What's going on? All right, chat. I know how D-Mart shit get. Hold on, let me back up, bro. Popping this shit. Damn, bro, I hate this shit, bro.
I'm finna hit, bro.
I hate this shit, bro. Yeah, you got. I'm glad that bitch ain't pop. And then J shit, bro.
My turn. Dang. That's just great.
Shit. Yeah, it's love. Hey, chat. Y'all see all the whips, man. We finna get these bitches in traffic. Get straight to it, man. Everybody, if y'all new in here, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. We almost at 9K subs. Like, what's up, nigga? I got that shit too. I got that shit too, nigga. What you trying to do? Come on. See, oh my God. That nigga shooting. That nigga shooting. Oh shit. Damn. Hey. Hit that beat one more again. Hold up. Hey, let me hop out the whiskey. Oh, bro. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, Chad. They might got these shits out. You said what?
This shit shooting flames.
Oh, God, his shit shooting flames.
Hold on, I'm finna hop out, bro.
Yeah, hey, chat. We finna hop out, bounce out, see how this shit get, man. For real, nigga. All right, P gang, y'all. We got my scat, but then after that scat, boy, I ain't gonna lie, chat. This shit just get real wicked as far as this beat go. Can't even lie to y'all boys. Everybody should sound like you're shooting though, boy. But I tell you, him. I'm scouting the scene out, dude. My first time in the scenery, man. What? What's your dog name, nigga? Bella.
Say his name, Built Ass.
What up, Bella? That nigga got the yellow Brembos. This shit actually tough as hell, boy. I can't fake it, y'all. My pen like, wait, tight as shit, but this better spur them bitches going. DB can barely get out. Fuck you talking about? But yeah, hopefully niggas get to sliding, drifting, burn out, some shit like that, y'all. Y'all know we tuned in, bruh. You doing a burnout, bro?
Oh God, my shit was big.
I'm trying to see if niggas slide, bro.
A few moments later.
This for the 9K?
Yeah.
Keep going. Oh, shit.
Gonna get loose.
I don't think it's no like open little parking lot though.
Nah, there ain't nothing like over here that's like open. We gonna have to find a spot in the city. We can find a spot in the city or something.
Man,
Back
what?
home.
Probably.
Outside it's Friday, nigga.
Man, why shit get wicked out here, dude? Yes, Lord. I need on some demon time.
You in college and shit?
Nah, bro. I do social media full time. Hey, y'all probably recording terrible as shit, y'all. Hey, y'all just bear with me.
Not me.
No, bro. I was behind him.
Hold on, chat. Hey, it's like, wait, mad brick outside. Y'all know me, I like going to like, I'm trying to go to a slide show, a drift out. This a parking chat. I'm gonna get jiggy with it. But like, we can't really get jiggy with it, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? Oh, bro.
Hey, bro, he talking about he gonna cruise with us and shit.
Man, what? Which one you got? Huh? That was me just revving my scat next to you.
That's a 6'4".
Oh, it was you.
Hell yeah, buddy.
5-speed, right?
Yeah, 5-speed.
2014.
Line that up, Dave.
You got that shit on him.
12?
Yeah.
Hold on, can it be zoom in? This shit zoom in slow as fuck.
Man.
Like slow as shit, bro.
That's the OG scat pack right there.
No, literally, nigga.
What?
Get that stage 2 trans, full bolt on, no charger. I bet it was not stopping for no goddamn
I was like, damn, bro.
I can't fake it, Chad. It's like, wait, cold as shit. Like it's mad brick outside. You heard? Chad, is this the dynamic duo? This the dynamic duo, Chad. I think my nigga Jay's pulling up. Jay's might be pulling up this shit. I don't even know, nigga. I don't even know, nigga. On my phone now. Tight shit, tight shit. Your dog got 2 different eyes, bro.
You got it with the ready gear too?
Hell yeah, buddy.
Hell yeah.
You saw your shit?
Shit, you saw yours?
My nigga shit been in the shop for nigga 3 months, nigga.
No longer, nigga.
Chill out, Sean.
Longer, nigga. I had my shit in the shop for 4 months, bro. And turned around, had to go right back in.
This your shit, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That shit 20, but your shit got the black hints. Your dog got contacts, nigga?
No, mean ass pull.
Man, what?
Me and this nigga made a group like a long time ago. Me and his brother called Motion Mafia. Like,
Make sure I get all these.
Not even on no Mafia nigga.
Make sure I get all these
But we just had that
in
word
this
Mafia in our
YouTube
name.
video real quick, dude.
Nigga,
Yes, Lord, I need all the content I can get. Fuck you talking about. What is this, B-roll? B-roll, whatever you want to call it, bro. Probably gonna stop at this one right here with the SRT on the joint. Yes, Lord. I keep saying this shit because it's so. Hey, yes, I got the same hoodie on as my last video. Eat dick. Make sure I sub up, bro. We almost at 9K on the way, dude. For real.
we got a homie with a 4.6 Mustang that shoots flame.
All right, y'all. I've been in the car kicking my pimping.
You that cold, Chet?
Hey, bro.
It's warm as fuck in here,
Hey,
though.
a nigga like you can just keep your hands in your pockets, bro. I'm recording, so my hands cannot go in there. I'm strictly holding my shit in the cold, nigga.
Denver needs some heat warm.
Nigga, what, bro? It's mad brick, you heard?
Man, I want to stay another 30 minutes, bro. We probably finna slide, bro.
Yeah, what? They did a burnout or something? Jerry said he on the way.
Oh, we waiting on Jerry's?
Yeah, Jerry's gonna push up. But he 15 minutes away. He called me not too long ago, like before I even got in the car. Look at this nigga, the fucking dog sitter.
Bro, I'm about to go fuck with that taco truck.
Shit, hey, go get Easty, dude. Yeah, I'm about to sit in this bitch for a little longer. Sunshine. Alright, child, let's cut these lights on. Actually, hold on. I might take this hood off. Probably not, but hey, peep chat. Alright, throughout the course of me being here, what is like my second car meet, and I realized these bitches is ass. Like, I can't fake it, bro. The ones you go to where they do the burnouts and they sliding and shit, mucho gracias. The ones where these niggas just standing outside, bro. These niggas doing a fucking meet and talk. This a park and talk. This a fucking park and talk, my nigga. Fuck that shit. Let's park and slide, nigga. Let's park and drip, nigga. So yeah, I don't know. That might wrap up this video. I don't know. My nigga Jerry's still on the way, so we gonna see when my brother get up here. But yeah, this shit ass, bro. It's cold as fuck. And yeah, I came in a bit underprepared, bro. I should have wore a coat, my nigga. Some gloves, my nigga. Something. What my shit at? 1 bar? Okay. Also, chat, if it seems like I'm looking to the right some, bro, it's cause hold on, let me show y'all like my perspective. Let me flip the camera. Alright, so Pete, when I'm watching this shit, bro, I'm watching it like this on this camera right here, bro. So like, if I'm looking to the right a little bit, that's what I'm looking at, bro. Y'all know I'm still getting used to this camera and shit. But yeah, everybody make sure y'all like, comment, sub, bro. Appreciate y'all for watching this video. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Tomorrow, there was a flyer that said some shit like, sip and bowl. And these niggas trying to go to like a little racing alley or some shit. I don't know, bro. We gonna find out what niggas got going on tomorrow. But until then, chat, we almost at 9K subs. So everybody make sure y'all sub up. And I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. Hey, keep God in your life. Head out. They talking about they finna go slide something. Yeah, where they finna go slide at? It's more my speed, nigga.
Tell them over there. Tell them,
Hey, you finna slide your shit?
me?
Nah, you that nigga right there. Hey, wait, where y'all going? That's niggas we coming, nigga. Where y'all going?
Just gonna follow them.
Fuck it. Hey, child, we finna get a POV cut up.
That's content, nigga.
But I guess they finna go slide something, nigga. Content. Hey, child, I'm gonna get up with y'all when we get there.